Satnam, Mandeep here from the Kundalini Sanctuary, and today I'm going to show you all about my altar. I have a beautiful altar space that is set up in the studio. The studio is on the west side of my property, and fortunately for me, my altar space is also on the west side of the property. The west direction is associated with our divine feminine, the Shakti energy. It's a very creative energy, and it's also the energy of beginning and ending. So we have the ending aspect of sunset, etc. So placement of the altar is important in this case for the west. I have various items on the altar that are very significant and personal to me, as well as angelic. This is one of my spirit guides. This is my sweet little Cocoa Puff, who was my darling little mini-me for quite a number of years. And I have his ashes, as well as a couple of other of my beloved dogs' ashes in the angelic realm, the higher up realm of my altar space. I have these beautiful terras. These are very small terras that have been consecrated. They actually have symbols on the back, and they were created in a consecration ceremony by my beloved friend and teacher, Geshe-la, who's a Tibetan monk. So these are all different colors. This is the golden Terra. This is associated with the blue medicine Buddha, which also has symbols on the back, as you can see, all carefully written in Tibetan. And then we have green Terra, the Terra of prosperity. And she's quite lovely, and she also has consecrated symbols on the back. So Geshe-la was very kind, and he came and we did a whole ceremony, and I've had these Terras and Buddhas for quite some time now, so they always go in my altar space. This is Saraswati, and she is the goddess of wisdom and learning. She's also the protector of children. And I have various things that are adorning her, etc. I have Isis here because this is the year really to access the energy of Isis, the great mother, as well. We have a treasure vase, which is also from Geshe-la. I have a lot of Tibetan Buddhist items on my altar. They've just come in to me, and I'm very clear that devotionally they need to be placed in a reverence space, which is on my altar. I have these beautiful crystals and orgone pyramids. I have quite a few of these that I've collected over the years from a local artist named Michelle Hood, who creates these through her company Light the Light. And they're just extraordinary, extraordinary conductors of energy. And then we have various crystals. I have amazing quartz crystals, as well as various crystals that I change around depending on the energy of what's happening cosmologically. This is fluorite. Fluorite's a big one for this year in particular. I have 13 candles on my altar, which represent the 13 moons, which is a calendar that I follow closely because I work a lot with the cycles of the moon. So there you have a general overview of my beautiful altar space that I share with each and every one of you as you come into the sanctuary. And you're always welcome to come and put something into this altar and have it be blessed and have it be charged. And then you can leave it for a week or so and then come back and take it away. Altars are really great spaces to charge things for yourself. Satnam.